What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another wig review. Today I am going to be switching out of my blonde hair and going into red. So yeah, I guess I'm going to be filling that redhead for a while this summer. So I have this. Who is it today? This is Hope. This is Hope that I'm going to be introducing you to. So let's go ahead and get started with this. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, my name is Simply Carrie. Welcome. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and definitely hit the like button as well. But let's go ahead and get into this review, okay? So this is Hope. She is from, I believe, a sister wig. Actually, Zury. It's Zury Hollywood. Zury Hollywood wig, okay? And it's the Royal Swiss Lace Premium class that I have. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is, and I'll leave this information in the description box, but it is the SW Lace H Hope. And I believe the color is Som RT Burgundy. So this is a burgundy head of hair that I am going to be wearing shortly. This is the stock card. Okay, so this is a Swiss lace wig, and it says here that it has a flawless pre-tweezed hairline, and I believe I saw a Y-shaped part on here as well. Naturally blended edges. Okay, okay, so let's check this out. All right, let's go ahead and pull it out of the box and see what we have. Now, I'm not that big into red, but I did want to change my color. I'm trying to do a little bit of something different in terms of color. I have been doing quite a bit of blonde. Not really too interested in doing the brunette or the black hair at the moment, simply because it's summertime and I just want to add a little color to my collection. So, okay, so I'm taking this out. All right. All right, so got that out the box. Now, this is some fiery red hair. Now, let me just say, when I look at red hair, I'm not gonna say what I think. I don't even want to say, okay? But it's edgy. I think that red hair is edgy. I will say that much. All right, now the lace on it is really soft. This is soft lace. Did they say it was, yeah, this is Swiss lace. So the lace is very soft. The part is supposed to be, so it says here there's pre-tweezed hairline. I could swear I saw somewhere where it said a Y-shaped part. So let's see if it's a Y shape. Do we see a Y in there? Yeah. Okay, so it's a Y-shaped part. And usually when the part is pretty spaced out, it gives it more of a natural look. All right, so it feels really soft right now. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and try it on. I'm gonna take my hair off and I'm gonna put this on. But before I actually do that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. No point in you seeing me cut the lace off. I just like to cut the lace off, and I'm not going to cut. If you notice here, it is pre-tweezed. I can actually see that. I don't know if you can see here. Okay, but that, to give it more of a natural look on the hairline. Okay, so we'll see once I get it on my head, but I am going to cut the lace off in just a second. So give me one moment. Okay, so I did cut the lace. I did not want to cut it too close to the edge, just in case, you know, I need to cut more, I'll just cut more. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it on now. Okay, I already have a cap on underneath my wig. Oh, my cap has a snag in it. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, as usual, it has two combs up here in the top, and it has one in the back. I don't use the two that are in the top a lot of times because I don't want to pull my own hair out. Okay, I do feel like I cut it. I didn't cut it too close, which is good. Okay, if you notice, look at the parting space. I like the parting space there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush it. This to me looks kind of like what I already was wearing. Only this is just red. It's got, what color red is this? It reminds me of a carpet. It reminds me of a Smurf. It reminds me of so many different things. Reminds me of a streetwalker, actually. I shouldn't have said that, should I? Okay. Now, as you can tell, I don't always wear red hair, but this is similar to the one that I was just wearing in blonde, only this one's a nice fiery red. All right. Now, the one concern that I will have with this, and I'm wondering, okay, no, it's pretty much similar to what I had. Okay, I'm just looking to see. Okay, this one was a Bobby Boss that I had on. This one is similar. Okay, this sits up a little bit. Okay, you probably have to do a little bit of pressing. It does take heat, so you can put heat on the hair. Okay, so it's real simple. All you have to do is cut off the lace, put it on. This is not, from my understanding, this is glueless. You don't have to put glue on it. I don't put glue on my hair. And you can also, since it was pre-tweezed, you can more than likely take some of the hair on the side and blend it into your own, like blend it a little bit to give it more of a natural look. Okay, and this does take heat, so you can press it and you can curl it and do whatever it is that you want to do with it. All right, so there we have it. Okay, Hope. I like the hair, it's really soft. Okay. Now this is what it looks like on the side, but like I said before, I would probably, I'm not gluing this. I refuse to glue anything to my hair for fear that I will take my hair out. But there shouldn't be any reason why you would be doing that. Like, why would you do that? There's no reason to. Okay, so for me, I'm not gluing, but if you want to glue so that it can feel a little bit more natural, I just kind of feel that people already know that you're wearing a wig anyway. They can, I mean, if you wear wigs, for the most part, people know. All right, so what do you think? Okay, it's very basic. But it's a definite something new. I feel like I'm sporting forehead. I just got forehead up here, okay? Another thing too that you can do, you can also put the foundation on the part, which I'm not going to do, but you can put foundation on the part to give it more of a natural look, and you can wear a guard underneath if you aren't going to do the glue to keep it from riding back. Now what I use, I don't like using the combs because once those combs start pulling, they can damage your hair. So I don't like using the combs, but I do like it. I do like it. I hope you like it too. And I will be back with another redhead because I'm going red for a while. All right, and I will see you in the next video. But before I go, I just want to say, I forgot what I want to say. It's the hair. It's the hair. It's I got forehead, and I'm a little bored. I'm a little bored with just the straight hair. This is great if you want to, you know, you're going, like you're in a hurry, you're going to the grocery store. It's great. You know, you want to put a hat on it. It's perfect. You want to change your color. It's perfect. But I'm a little bored. I'm a little bored. I need something different. I'm gonna have to bring you guys something totally different, something new, something different. Okay, but okay. Anyhow, if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know what kind of hair you'd be interested in seeing me do a review on. Any company that you'd be interested in knowing a little bit more about. I tend to lean toward Bobbi Boss. I like Bobbi Boss, but I also like, I like this company as well, okay? Their hair is pretty good. I haven't really ever had a problem with them as far as tangling and shedding and stuff like that. So I really do like these wigs. It's just that I want some new styles, okay? I've just come from a blonde head like this, and I want something different. Can I do something different with this? Can I? No, we can't do that. We can't do that. We can't do that. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, so all right, guys, I'm out of here. Hopefully you like the hair. Hopefully you'll buy it. I'll leave the description I'll leave the all the information in the description box if you're interested in this wig. And I will see you in the next video. All right, take care. Bye.